Okay, we want to obtain the ratio for cos 75 degree. For 75 degree, please take note of this. For 75 degree, we have 45 degree plus 30 degree plus 30 degree. Okay? It means that when you add up these two angles together, you have 75. Now, can I apply an identity to this very one? Become cos 45 degree cos 30 degree. This addition sign will change to minus. Okay? This one only happens when we are dealing with cos. If you are dealing with cos, the sign here will change to minus when you are taking the next step. It means that this sign here will not change to minus for cos. But if you are dealing with sign, this very plus will remain the same. If it is plus, it remains plus for sign. If it is minus, it remains minus for sign. But if you are dealing with cos, this sign here, addition will change to minus. If it was minus, here will be what? Addition. Okay? Now we are dealing with an addition for this very one, and we have cos. Therefore, I will take it as minus. Please take note of that. I will take it as minus. We call cos 45 degree, cos 30 degree. The next one will be sine 45 degree, sine 30 degree. Now we cannot use the ratio for cos 45, and don't forget that cos 45 is simply 1 over 2, and for cos 30 degree we have 3 over 2. Okay, while for sine 45 degree it has the same ratio with cos 45. Okay, this one very one, sine 45 degree. Okay, sine 45 degree is simply 1 over 2. Okay, the same ratio with cos 45 degree. Okay, what to see now? The next one is sine 30. Sine 30 simply half, that is 1 over 2. Okay, now what can I do now? Now I have to reconsider all these again. I need to reconsider. Okay, for this very first one, it has a surd at the denominator. This one is a fraction, there is a surd at the denominator. What will I do? I will simply rationalize this very fraction. Therefore, when I rationalize, I will simply have 2 over 2. Okay, while for this one there is no surd, I will have to repeat it, become 3 over 2. Okay, for this one we still have surd. I will need to still rationalize this very fraction. I will have, I'm going to have 2 over 2. I will have 2 over 2. That's for this very one. Okay, this one there is no surd at the denominator. I will just repeat it. I will simply repeat it. Okay, now we can still move forward. We can still move forward. Now we can see, look at the denominators. All the denominator there is no surd. Okay, therefore I can simplify like this. I can simplify the numerators. That is, I need to multiply. Since I have a bracket in between its times for this very one, this one also, there is a bracket in between its times. It means that for this one, I will have 3 times, that is to say, 2 times 3, or 3 times 2. Therefore, I will have here as root 6. I will have here as root 6. Okay? Now, why for the denominator will become 4. Okay? 2 times 2, 4. Why for this one, 2 times 1 is going to be 2. Okay, when I still multiply, I will still have 4. I have to say 2 times 2. Okay, we can still move forward. We can still move forward. Okay, for this one, we have a fraction. Remember, I told you before, whenever you are dealing with fraction and there is a negative sign, whether negative sign or additional sign, as far as a fraction, 2 or more fraction, in between negative sign or addition sign, you simply take the LCM of the denominators, and you use that LCM to simplify the very fractions. Okay, since I have 4 at 4 and I have another 4 at the denominator, therefore 4 become the LCM. 4 into 4, that 4 share 4 will be 1. 1 times root 6, I will have root 6. 4 share 4 is 1 times 2, I will have root 2. Therefore, I can stop here, or better still, I can still continue and say 1 over 4. I will have the root 6 inside the bracket. The same thing applies to 2 inside the bracket. Either I leave it like this or I leave it like this, I will have the same result. Okay? It means that we are going to have a common result. Meaning, get your calculator, get the value of root 6 and also the value of root 2. Subtract them, meaning minus both of them, and divide by 4. Put your value down. Come for cos 75 degree. Get the value of cos 75 degree. you will definitely have the same result with this. You will have a common result. Thank you very much for joining me on this very platform, JB Jumbo Online Mathematics. Okay, I still remain Mambo Sir, JB Jumbo. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mathematics Science Mega Tutorial. All the best.